We all have those ifs, and it is time we bring them out by finishing the dreaded statement, I would love myself more if. You've gotten a little bit into this training course now, and I know there is something nudging you inside. There is something inside of you that when you try to say how much you love your crooked teeth, your extra skin on your belly, and your thin hair that seems to have stopped growing, that is whispering in your ear, yeah, right, or in your dreams, crazy, or something else that is kind of saying that you don't believe in it, nor do you think you'll ever believe it. Am I right? So, this exercise is to identify all of these ifs about yourself. Grab your pen and a piece of paper and start writing down things that you believe would make you love yourself more. For me, these used to be if I was a size 6, if I was working from home, if I had no credit card debts, and so forth. Write them all down. It can have to do with your looks, your accomplishments, your struggle, or whatever it is that comes to mind when you are asked to finish the sentence, I would love myself more if. And this is where you start writing. We will use all of these in your next EFT session to clear them so the nudging and the whispering aren't so obvious or even gone completely. So let's get to writing and take your time.